Alright guys, if you guys are installing these UPS units, you basically plug in your wires into the battery side or the surge side. If you plug it in here, it will actually not back it up when the power goes out. If you plug on this side, it'll keep the battery. But what people are forgetting is when you buy these, you're supposed to actually remove this, pull the battery out, and look, you gotta reconnect the red wire. They don't ship it connected. I'm pretty sure it's for fire hazards or what have you, but look, you connect it, there's a little spark, you push it in all the way like that, slide it in, and then you install it. I know you guys typically know what you're doing, but I figure there's probably somebody out there that may not know, and they'll just go ahead and install it, back up the battery thinking they're all good to go, but it'll actually not do its job. So there you go.